Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Did you check the lot numbers on the sucrose?
Yeah, they match the manifest. Everything looks good here.
In these vats, we carefully combine the secret syrup with purified water. It's this precise balance.
The temperature is spiking in sector gamma. We need to reroute the coolant immediately.
Rerouting now, pressure stabilizing.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality. Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made. Tick start, from start to finish.